Big Herc 916, getting down with Muscle Up. Hey, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the share button, hit the like button, represent. I'm growing my car channel over here, and I'll be having a lot more car videos in the future. This morning I'm at 4 to 4, which is a coffee shop out here in Scottsdale, and it's Porsche Saturday, so I had to get up, come take a look at these Porsches out here, share them with you guys. So stay tuned and let me know what's your favorite. Got a Carrera, a couple Carreras in the house. So this is all predominantly Porsche this morning, but every Saturday they have a different theme, and this is a cool little spot to come and check out some cool cars. Whether you're old school Porsche guy, new school Porsche guy, you can pretty much catch something that you'll like here if you're into Porsches. Hey, got a 928 over here. You know, this is one of my favorites, and I'm partial to these, so I have to come over here and get a look at this one because I've never seen an orange 928 like this before. Looks pretty original. Looks like it could possibly be an older version. I'm thinking like 79. But I had a 79, and it looks like it could be a 79. It's clean though. Now this is a pretty Porsche right here. This kind of reminds me of the 911 and Bad Boys. Turbo S it is, I believe. The same one that was in the Bad Boys when it raced the Cobra, and Will Smith was driving the Porsche. I think this is the same one. The 96 turbos are through the roof in value. Beautiful car. One of the best overall performing cars on the market that does everything. And I've seen this 928 before. This guy's been working on this one for a while. And you guys know what this is. GT3 RS. Street monster, track monster, just an overall monster. You want to take something out the box that can do everything. This is your car. Got another clean turbo here, and pretty silver. And these turbos is about their business, man. Just like I said, they're a great car, comfortable, and a fun grand tour. This red spec is pretty. It's even got the upgraded seats in it. Yeah, that's a pretty car. Nice stance to it. And this is a pretty RS4. It's got a nice paint scheme to it. I'm not too familiar with these, but it's a pretty car. Got a 9. Look like a 912, a Targa. I believe it's a 912. I don't know if it's still considered a 911 actually. 912 is, I think, 69 is the cutoff for 70. This is a 912. I actually had one of these that was converted to a slant nose. Carrera RS. Two more weeks and I'll have my car, and I'll be pulling up in a 928, I guess. Got a 918. They really came a long way with this Boxster. Got a 944 convertible. You don't see a whole lot of these. They're asking $12,995 for this. The 944s are still pretty reasonable as far as pricing. They're not through the roof. Now I want to get one of these and put an LS in it, or get one with an LS already in it. I think it'd be a fun car. Got a couple of speedsters over here, looking clean. Which one would you take? You take the white one or the black one? Both of them are pretty. Beautiful car. Not a lot of crazy horsepower, but you don't buy these for the horsepower. Another Targa. Look like a 70, I don't know, maybe a 77, 78? You tell me, you guys know these cars better than I do. GT2 RS, another great performing car all around. This one has a nice spec on it. A lot of suede and carbon fiber accents. Go to muscleupdetailspray.com and pick you up a water-based, eco-safe detail spray that protects all surfaces, or pick you up a tank top or a t-shirt with the infamous Green Machine Chevelle and represent. So that was the 4 till 4 morning car show here in Scottsdale, Porsche Saturday. This goes on till, I don't know, I think 10 o'clock. It's about 7:45 now, so I'm about to hit another car show because Saturday is the day to see the cars here in Scottsdale. So stay tuned. I'll drop another video later on, but subscribe, share the channel, and muscle up. Go pick you up some merch, man. Muscleupdetailspray.com. Big Herc 916.